Magicians, last week we were learning about perimeter and having a different, let's see, different area, but same perimeter. Today we're going to learn about same area, different perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the outside edge. So you are going to need your workbook, page 631. 631. Okay. So some of this stuff we're not going to do. We're just going to work on the bottom. You're not going to have a discussion post today because we're going to do the same thing tomorrow. So I just wanted to introduce it to you today. So we are looking at the bottom four problems. They have the same area, but different perimeter. So the inside is the same amount, but the outside is different. So the direction says write the dimensions of a different rectangle with the same area as the rectangle shown. Then tell which rectangle has a smaller perimeter. So what we have to figure out first is what is the area and what is the perimeter. So I'm going to put a P here and an A here, P for perimeter, A for area, right? All right, move my computer around. Okay. So let's find our perimeter. If this side is 6, then this side has to be 6. If this side is 4, then this side has to be 4. And then remember, perimeter, you just add up the sides. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20. Very good. And area, remember, you just multiply the two sides together. So we have 6 times 4. You should know your facts, 24. Good. Okay, now we are going to draw a rectangle with the same area. Okay, so we know that the area has to be 24. This one was 6 times 4. What is another problem that has the product of 24? There's a couple. 8 times 3. Okay, so this rectangle is going to be 8 and 3. Now let's find our perimeter. If this side is 8, this side is 8. If this side is 3, that side is 3. So it looks like an 8 there. So then we have 8 plus 8 and 3 plus 3. 8 plus 8 is 16. 3 plus 3 is 6. 16 plus 6 is 22. And then it says, tell which rectangle has a smaller perimeter. Which one's smaller, 20 or 22? 20. Ta-da. Okay, now we're going to go here. So we're going to have to do the same area and a different perimeter. So let's figure out our perimeter first. If this side is 3, this side is 3. If this side is 4, that side is 4. And we would add them up. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. And remember, when we find area, we just multiply the two sides together and we get 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, and so remember, we're finding the same area. So when you find the same area, you've got to pick two numbers to multiply together to both get 12. We use 3 and 4. What else makes 12? What times what makes 12? There's 2 more, I think. 6 times 2, right? Or you could do 12 times 1. So I'm going to draw 6 and 2, and then this would be 6, and this would also be 2. And let's figure out the perimeter. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 plus 2 is 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. And it says, which has the smaller one? This one, because 14 is smaller than 16. Okay, making sense, I bet, a little bit, I hope. All right, let's do number 13 the same way. We need to find the perimeter and the area. Okay, if this side is 5, this side is 5. If this side is 4, this side is 4. Then we can just add them up. 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 doubled is 18. Now we need to find our area. When we multiply our two sides together, we get 5 times 4, 20. Good. So now we need to find two numbers that have the multiply together to get 20, just like this one. How about 2 times 10? Alrighty, so let's draw this guy out. 10 and 2. So then we have 10 and 2 over here. And add them up. What do we get for our perimeter? (10, 20, 22). Perimeter's 24. So which one has the smaller perimeter? Yep, our green guy. Because 18 is smaller than 24. Last practice of the day. Again, we're finding perimeter and area. So if this side is 8, this side is 8, this side is 2, that side is 2. Because perimeter is our fence, our outside edge. We just add up the sides. 2 plus 8 is 10, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. And our area, remember, we just multiply and we get 16. So now we need to find two other numbers, two other factors to have a product, of 16 to match the area. Same area, different perimeter. Pretty cool how that works. Just the different lengths of sides. All right, so we had 8 times 2. What about 4 times 4? So we draw this guy out for our perimeter. 4 on this side, 4 on this side. So 4 on this side, 4 on that side. And perimeter, we add them all up. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And which one has a smaller fence? That's right. Because 16 is smaller than 20. Now this one has the same perimeter and area. That's not always going to happen. Okay. So again, when you are finding different perimeter, you're going to have the same area. You're just going to have different lengths of sides. 8 and 8, 4 and 4. And we're going to do some more practice with this tomorrow. Okay. So hopefully that made a little bit of sense. If not, I'm sure your light bulb will come on tomorrow. So turn it over. You are going to work on question 15, 18, 19, and 20. So 50 are 4 problems. Number 15, 18, 19, and 20. Okay? Get it checked by your parent if you don't understand. If not, then you can still reach out to me. And like I said, we are going to do more of this tomorrow, and it'll make more sense to you tomorrow. I promise. Get it checked.